Okay, for this next one, we're asked to look at the set of quantum numbers, say if it's allowed or not, and then if it's allowed, to name it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and do this whole part first, then say if they're allowed or not, and then we'll name them all together. Okay, n equals 5. We have n equals 5. So if we have n equals 5, that's okay. N can have values of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any counting number up to infinity. So this one's okay. If n is equal to 5, then L can have values up to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is okay. So that's okay. If L is equal to 1, M sub L has values of minus 1, 0, and plus 1. So that's okay. And then this M sub S has to be plus a half or minus a half. So plus a half is okay. So yes, that's allowed. N can have any counting number, so n equals 3 is okay. If n is equal to 3, then L can have values of 0, 1, and 2, so that's okay. If L equals 2, M sub L has values of minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, and plus 2, so that's okay. And then plus or minus a half, so that's okay. N equals 2 is okay. If n is equal to 2, allowed values for L are 0 and 1, so that's okay. If L is equal to 1, then M sub L can have values of minus 1, 0, and plus 1. So finally we've hit a box that's not okay. If any of the boxes are no, then the whole configuration is not allowed. N equals 5 is still okay. If n equals 5, L has values of 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, so that's okay. If L is equal to 3, M sub L has values of minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, and plus 3, so it's okay. And then this also is okay. So 3 of the 4 are good electron configurations. So now let's name them. The first part of the name is the n value, so 5 and 3 and 5. And then the second part is a code here. So L, 0, 1, 2, 3. And then the name is S, P, D, or F for those values. And so if L is equal to 1, that means that's a 5P. If L is equal to 2, that makes this guy a 3D. And then if L is equal to 3 here, that means this is a 5F orbital that we have. And I'll just write them out here one more time so that you have them. So n is equal to, from 1 to infinity, any integer. L goes from 0 to n minus 1. M sub L is equal to minus L through 0 up to plus L, and then M sub S is equal to plus 1/2 or minus 1/2. Okay, these are the rules that I was using as I'm saying whether those are okay or not.